So the Northwoods Kindred Veteranater, Winter Nights UPG. We celebrate this time of the year.
Gothi,
Yes.
why should UPG be so important to Norse pagan parents?
Okay. The reason that UPG is important to Norse pagan or heathen parents is because we use our UPG in a lot of cases to bridge the gap between what everybody else is doing and what we're doing. Then our children don't go to school and feel like they're left out or they're the weird kid. You know, when everybody's like, hey, what did you get for Christmas? They're like, well, we celebrate Yule, but I got all this cool stuff. Or what did you get for Halloween? Or what did you do for Halloween? Well, we don't celebrate Halloween, we celebrate Winter Nights, but we got to dress up creepy and dance around the maypole, so the kids get to experience the same seasonal celebrations as their age-appropriate counterparts without feeling like they're the outcast. So we have to have these UPGs to essentially take our celebrations back from the Abrahamic faiths.